Mixpresso makes delicious espresso coffee, but what's most important, it's the ease of use and how simple it is to just make nice coffee every day with these little pods that you can have of any taste that you want. So basically the first thing is to make sure that the repository has enough water, right? And then you come here, we like put it on this mat, right? You see it has enough water here. And then, very simple, you open this right here. Let me show you so you can see how it looks, right? Then, with these knobs right here, you can tell it how much coffee you want, if you want a small espresso or if you want more water in it. I prefer the smaller so that the espresso is harsher. This is so that whatever coffee spills over, if that happened, you can it is collected there. It's a collection plate, and essentially that's all it is. So now, really easily, what we do is we put this here, we put it this way, we put a cup here. Let's do that real quick. Put a cup here, really nice. Then we close it real nice. Then we press the button and we get coffee.